Hello everyone, I am Sho from Shenzhen VILVA Electronics Company Limited. Today I want to show you how our customized load bank are created. Every step of making this load bank carefully checked by our engineers. So let's start. Taking a 10 megawatt diesel generator, such as an example, rated output power is 10,000 kilowatt. For full load, it is recommended to equip a load bank with a power rating of 10 megawatt or above. To complete the 110% overload test, an 11 megawatt load system can be selected to meet the requirements. Based on your core requirements, VILVA can arrange you to one-to-one engineer to meet up your expectation for the parameters such as power ratings, including design and drawing. We then proceed to structural design, circuit diagram design, and multiple rounds of review to ensure the design solution meets your needs and complies with the industry standards.